Idealist Karen Zhang established a building materials company in 2013, grounding it in principles of cleanliness and a robust partnership system. Shandong DMAX Group has evolved into a responsible one-stop building material provider, committed to offering clients the most cost-effective and comprehensive procurement experience. DMAX's products, renowned for their exceptional quality, are now adding value in over 120 countries worldwide. We specializing in SPC click flooring, PVC bichonnet plank flooring, and WPC wall panel. With 15 years of experience, we prioritize understanding our clients' needs. DMAX's ultimate goal is to provide customers with the most cost-effective procurement experience, which is evident in our impressive 95% repeat purchase rate among medium to large clients. We brings customer visions to life through responsible manufacturing and global delivery of decorative building materials. Business data affirms the DMAX Group as a trusted long-term partner for global clients. Over 1,600 building material distributors, retailers, and decorative contractors are boosting their sales volumes and profit margins through the DMAX Group's premium quality building materials. Relying on advanced technology and innovative design, we constantly develop and research new generation of high-level products. Meanwhile, our products are under control of International Quality Authentication System of ISO 9001, conform to SGS and CE certification request. Quality assurance is rooted in outstanding service and efficient collaboration. Our team, including experts in design and quality control, collaborate to consistently deliver exceptional results. DMAX Group develops compositions, performance metrics, color palettes, and production protocols for optimal spatial aesthetics. Every product batch undergoes rigorous sampling and inspection protocols to ensure quality. You can have complete peace of mind when sourcing from us. DMAX, quality-driven, world-sharing.